how did pizza made way into your stomach? आइए जानते हैं. Friends, which brand comes to your mind when you crave for a pizza? For most of us, it's Domino's. Why? No, it's not just for their taste, but for free oreganos. Imagine this, you order a pizza from Domino's and when you open the box, you get not just one packet of its seasoning, but the entire dozen of it waiting for you. Now after you eat the pizza, you store the rest of the oreganos in your refrigerator. And whenever you open it, it's there waiting for you, reminding you of their brand Domino's. So Domino's is not just giving away free oreganos, it's giving you a memory, a recall value to go back to them again and again. Free is a very powerful word. Just think about it. What you can give free in your business that can become a magnet to attract customers for you.